Is it a toy? Is it electronic?
Oh yeah. Can you eat it? Yes.
It's a vital part of the... So you can eat it, but it doesn't give joy? Okay, is it meat? Fruit?
No.
Vegetable?
No.
Milk?
No.
I have a good idea on what it could be. A peanut butter and honey sandwich.
No.
Um,
I'm not going to tell you.
is it a dairy product?
No.
Which means it's made from milk.
Is it a grain?
Grain is like bread.
So it's not from an animal? Did it come from an animal?
What is it?
Okay. So is it meat?
Yes.
Okay, so we're switching. Are you filming this?
Yes.
Okay, is it a steak?
Steak. Yes! I'm thinking of steak!
Wow. Okay, just to review. Steak.
No?
Steak is an animal.
You know what is
You can eat it, and it does bring joy.
Yeah, it's bro.
Which, the first three answers were all no.
Oh, it's blue. And now I'm thinking of another thing.
How about if I think of something now?
No, I want to think.
I'm
Okay,
thinking
you
of
think of
another
something.
I'm thinking of another thing. Guess what that blue thing is?
It was another marshmallow.
Okay.
Not another. Is it